Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a website on Cartel. So let's get right into it. Now, once you sign up for Cartel, create an account, you will be met with an onboarding quiz or questionnaire, which you can fill out, and it'll help you set up your store for the proper reasons or for the proper functionalities which you plan on using. You can use it for your own products, you can use it for dropshipping, you can use it for whatever. And once you fill out that questionnaire, you'll come here to your dashboard where you have this sort of checklist which you can use to, well, pretty much set up your site. You'll see an overview over here as well with analytics as well as your listed products, and you can go into orders to view all of your orders. However, you can upgrade to a paid promotion or a paid subscription, which you can then use to post ads on socials. You can pay for a lot of different other things such as discounts. Discounts do require a paid subscription to work. You can go into products where you can add your own products by clicking here on the plus, and you can add them for the specific reasons that you want, or with the specific well, information and the specific product that you want. Then you need to go into apps, or you can go into apps, and you can use whichever of these apps you can see here. You can use MailChimp, Fira, Printful for drop shipping. You can use Pinterest tags, TikTok Pixel, Facebook Pixel, Google Shopping, etc. And you can use them to, well, pretty much improve your site. If you wish to modify what your site looks like, you can go into account, go into shop design, click here on the shop designer, and then you can go ahead and edit your site as per your wishes. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.